That was a purposeful.
Now it's like it's your height.
Periscope, YouTube,
It's supposed to be just a little
and
better.
Facebook. This is going to be a vlog for YouTube, but also on Facebook. We're multitasking.
Oh, we need to get into
I lost my voice because I was up all night and I was coughing.
He was.
And I had to get up early
He
to
was.
pull our.
He did.
I had to get up early to pull our senior prank. We took all the desks
There's a lot to
and
hold up.
we like stacked them on top of each other in like big piles and then zip tied them all together.
That happened.
Corinne, you're just putting so much into this.
I'm less exciting today.
Look at Corinne's leg. She's all painty.
Also, Logan, I'm just gonna bring yours.
Oh, I didn't even notice the yellow.
Yeah, that's how it all started.
No, that's like.
I want more colors, Brian.
Oh, sorry.
As you can see, it's a beautiful day out.
The rise
The sun is shining.
Look at those buildings off in the distance over there.
There are
by our
things
tree of life.
hanging from
I'm
trees.
just kidding, we're inside.
This is our AP Lit project.
Yep.
Yeah, we have Matt Thurston holding things.
Yeah.
Bitter!
Yeah.
There's the ocean.
Sun.
I like the sun.
Wow, this looks really cool on camera.
Yeah.
It's dripping on me. This sucks.
Don't be deceived. It's shitty in real
Yeah,
life.
in real life, it's crap. We've been
Eric,
here.
what's our topic for today?
Brian's
Jorts.
voice.
The fact.
Jorts. I have jorts. I personally like
I have
jorts, and I don't get why people always hate on them.
I like jorts.
Me too.
They're nice. See?
What are your
Gum
thoughts?
on my shoe.
Oh, gum.
It's gross.
There's hair.
I know. No,
Wait.
it's not hair. I don't know
Oh,
what
don't. You don't know where that's.
It's a
Can you get it
feather.
all, like all of it off?
Oh.
Just pick it off.
It's been right there.
Oh, good. Good thing we have a handy stick.
This is gross.
Oh, ew! It's like crumbling off.
I'm gonna throw up.
Look at that. See, Eric, multi-talented man. He can sing. He blew me away this morning, and then he that wasn't funny. He broomed like a pro.
Ruined. I like how you
And
use
now-
the word. I like how she uses the word pruned instead of
Cleaned
swept
my
or
shoes.
swept.
Broomed. It was
Electrosity.
clearly. It wasn't a sweeper.
Those shoes.
It was a
Those shoes are awesome.
Her boating shoes. Remember Meg's boating shoes?
Those are like, they look like they were made out of rubber. Where's the dustpan?
Eric, the thing that pissed me off today.
Wait!
See, I wish I was holding the camera in that situation. That was great. That was like a twist fall.
Eric, what happened? What happened?
I landed wrong and my phone was just like, hey, wrong.
So, the thing that pissed me off today is that the lovely Corinne, Jen, Eric, and Jordan and I were supposed to sing a cappella songs for our senior talent show, and I lost my voice.
He did. Yeah. But he played the pitch pipe nicely for us.
Eric.
I gave Jen her note.
He
like a
really held
friend.
us together.
Myself, want to listen to Going to California so you can.
All right, well, I guess we're gonna end that vlog today, Eric. Fire away. Goodbye.
I'm so scared.